guys, this is Kang and let me help you in setting up your account with Iink Protocol. To those who are new to NFT rentals, Iink Protocol helps you stay secure while borrowing and makes your NFT work for you, especially if it's just sitting in a corner doing nothing. Let's make use of it. If you want your NFTs to be rented, you can allocate a specific amount and time for them to be rented by someone else. And if you're a renter, you can gain your access to NFTs you don't have in a specific period. First, go to market.iq.space and you see something like this. Click Connect in the upper right corner. By then, you will be asked to connect or create a wallet if you don't have an existing one. For me, I have MetaMask, so click MetaMask and log in with your credentials. You will then be asked to change your network and choose Polygon. Once you're in, you can now access your personal dashboard where you can check your listings, what's currently on the market, your rentals, and wish list, of course. If you want to list your NFT, you can click List NFT and choose NFT you want to list. You will then be asked to change the network to the support one. After that, you can now unlock your locked NFT to give access to the renter. Set the time period and your fair price for renting and confirm to finalize the listing. Now people can rent your NFTs and payments will automatically go to your linked wallet. If you don't have NFTs for rent and you wanted to rent, you must visit the Iink verse of the game you wanted to borrow an asset. You will see all the details you needed for the rent by clicking the NFT you wanted to rent. Make sure that your wallet is connected to finish the transaction. Agree to the terms and pay the specific token amount. Finishing off by clicking Rent and you're good to go.
Oh, before I forgot, since you're done creating your account, you have now the upper hand to utilize Iink Protocol. Red Village teamed up with Iink Protocol to host an exclusive tournament you can join only through its platform for free. No gas fee, no running costs, so players can enter the tournament without having to spend any penny. And win a part of the $35,000 prize pool by just creating your account with Iink Protocol, rent for free, and join. You can check on the link in the bio for more tournament details.
We all know that Iink Protocol just launched, but this market has a solid foundation backed by Crypto.com, Capital, Republic Capital, Genblock Capital, Chronos, and so much more, so you don't have to worry. Till next time, bye!